everyone, welcome to Tranquilly coding. This is probably our last video of the country code picker using Jetpack Compose series. So we have managed to create a library, publish it through Jetpack. So behind the camera I did some little things. I created a readme.md that will show in the GitHub as the description of this repository, readme file of the repository. Behind the camera, I created some examples of how we can use this in different situations. I added some screenshots, created a logo and stuff for the documentation and wiki. And let's go to GitHub and show you what I did. So here is our GitHub repository. So first, I choose a license. This is Apache 2.0. This is the readme file. Has the features, demo, the implementations, dependency, uses of everything. There is a customization tab which includes several utils that we did, these customizations. These are the beautiful projects that were my first inspiration to create this one. And lastly, we created a wiki. Not lastly, we have some more content. So in this wiki there is like several other things. For example, this country code picker, this is the basic use, this is the demo of these things, and this is the constructor. So all of these are mostly like this thing is done using GitHub action. I created the GitHub page. This is the GitHub workflow. You can see the GitHub pages over here. So this is it actually. This is our library. This is our documentation and everything. So this can be a little bit better, like add some documentation using Docker, Docket. So that will give us Java doc-like documentation in Kotlin. But I will try to do that later. So this is how you do it. This is how you create a library, test it, publish it, create your documentation, readme, etc. So it has been a wonderful journey creating this library and sharing with you. So if you have any question, any feedback or anything, comment down below. I'll try to answer it, and if you want to see something else done with this library or any other things, also let me know. And I want all of you to try to recreate all of these things. You already have the source code available on this GitHub. This is a public repository. So all the codes are available. If you need any help, you can comment down. I can help you with that. And other than that, the videos are pretty explanatory, I guess. Thank you for watching Tranquilly Coding. I'll see you in another video. Have a good day.